Welcome back! After a long time we are making a cooking video, and in this video we'll be making something special for summer, which is lemon iced tea. So let's get into the recipe. The ingredients needed for making lemon iced tea are 1 liter water, 2 tablespoon tea powder, half to 1/3 cup powdered sugar, which is approximately 150 grams, then some ice cubes, 3 tablespoon lemon juice, and finally for garnishing, lemon slice and some sprigs of mint leaves. Now it's time for the method. In a vessel, boil 1 liter water and then switch off the flame and add the tea powder and allow it to infuse for 10 minutes. Add more tea powder if you like a stronger taste. Now add the sugar and mix well. You can add more or less sugar as per your taste. Add the lemon juice. Add more lemon juice for a tangy taste and mix properly. Now strain the mixture and allow it to cool and come to a room temperature. Then put this in the fridge and allow it to cool for at least 2 to 3 hours. Finally, it's time for the serving. Add a few crushed mint leaves and ice cubes to a glass. After that, add the iced tea mixture to this and top it with a few more crushed mint leaves and a slice of lemon and serve immediately. You can also put ice cubes if you want to. Thank you so much for watching my video, everyone. How was the video? Let me know in the comments. And have you made any summer special drink like my lemon iced tea as shown in the video, or any milkshake or juice? Let me know that also. So, see you all in my next video as I gotta go. Till then, bye guys. And please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for the updates of my videos.